Me Manisha Jaiswal, and she is my mom-in-law. I have came from Kolkata. The operation was done by Dr. Dhiraj Marothi Jain, and it is done by R2R technique. And she is finally walking from the day of the operation. And overall review is very good. And Dr. Dhiraj sir's team is excellent. Especially Dr. Siddharth is very good. And they all the staffs are here over here at EpicHospital very cooperative, and I would like to refer more knee transplant patients to come to Epic and do with the operation with Dr. Dhiraj. Sir is very excellent.
আমি শোভা জয়সওয়াল কলকাতা থেকে এসেছি। डॉक्टर धीरज जैन मारुति, हाँ उनी आमार ऑपरेशनटा करेছেন, খুবই ভালো আছি, হাঁটা চলা করছি ভালো মতন। আর এপিক হসপিটালে ভর্তি আছি, এপিক হসপিটালে হয়েছে অপারেশনটা, খুবই ভালো আছে। আর R2R টেকনোলজি হয়েছে।